For years, we believed a giraffe's neck grew long in order for the giraffe to feed off the tallest trees. But evidence now suggests that a giraffe's neck may have stretched in order to fight. Stick around to find out more as we dive into the facts. Fact 1. There are 4 kinds of giraffe, not one. It's a popular thought that there is just one kind of giraffe, but actually, not all giraffes are the same. In 2021, scientists studied the DNA of giraffes from across Africa. The results showed that giraffes are actually 4 different species: southern, Maasai, reticulated, and northern. These groups have been apart for over 1 million years and rarely mix in the wild. Knowing this matters, because some of these species are now highly endangered and need protection tailored to them, not just to giraffes as a whole. Just quickly, if you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Fact 2. Male giraffes test mates by tasting urine. Male giraffes have a surprising way of knowing when a female is ready to mate. In Namibia, scientists watched males gently nudge or sniff a female's back end to encourage her to urinate. The male then took a small sample in his mouth, and special receptors told him whether she was fertile. Researchers also recorded a low growl from males, showing giraffes are not silent after all. It's a subtle but clever system for finding the right time to breed. Fact 3. Giraffe grandmothers keep younger giraffes alive. It turns out that older giraffes help the young giraffes survive. In Tanzania's Tarangire National Park, scientists tracked giraffes for 18 years. They found that when older females who can no longer have calves are part of the group, more babies survive. The researchers suggest these elders may know the best places for food and water, or help defend against enemies. Just like in humans and whales, having experienced grandmothers around gives the youngest members a better chance at life. Fact 4. Female giraffes have solid bonds with friends. For a long time, people thought giraffes just wandered about in random groups, bumping into each other and then moving on. But in 2021, scientists studying giraffes in northern Kenya showed that isn't true. They watched giraffes for years, taking thousands of photos and building a kind of family tree of friendships. They found that female giraffes often stay close to the same companions, even when they're not related by blood. About 1/3 of the time, a female will be with her chosen friends. This means instead of being loners, giraffes live in gentle, female-led communities. It's a hidden sisterhood, more like the close families of elephants and whales than the loose crowds we once imagined. Fact 5. Heat helps giraffes survive. Rain puts them at risk. Over 8 years, scientists followed more than 20,300 giraffes in Tanzania. They found that when seasons were hotter than usual, adult giraffes actually survived better. But when rains were unusually heavy, both calves and adults were less likely to survive. The authors suggest this could be because of more parasites, lower quality food, or greater risk from predators. The problem was worst for giraffes near the edges of the park, where human activity added to the stress. Fact 6. Their long necks may have started as weapons. A giraffe's neck isn't only about reaching tall trees. In 2022, scientists described a fossil from China that lived 17 million years ago. This ancient giraffe relative, called Discocarex zieji, had a thick skull and extra strong neck joints. These were perfect for headbutting fights between males. The researchers believe this kind of combat pushed necks to grow longer over time. That means the giraffe's famous neck may have first been shaped by fighting, not feeding. What are your thoughts on these majestic creatures? And for more amazing animal content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.